studying about the tropical evergreen forest. So in that video we studied about the what is tropical evergreen forest, what is the vegetation of that forest, what is wildlife, climate, and where it mainly lies. So in previous video we studied that tropical evergreen forest lies on the equator, on equator, on 0 degree equator. So we have studied that everything about about a tropical evergreen forest. So now in this video we will study a new forest, our new topic, tropical deciduous forest. So in previous video we have studied that there was tropical evergreen, tropical evergreen forest. So but now in this video there is a tropical deciduous forest. So there is only one thing, the evergreen to deciduous. So what is the difference between the evergreen and deciduous? So one thing that is coming to your mind, that what is the difference between deciduous and evergreen. So as by the as the name evergreen, as I have told you that these forests are evergreen. There are at every evening at evergreen forest one time rainfall happens. So at evergreen there are very lot of rainfall, lot of water there are stored in that tree soil. There is lot of water in evergreen forest. But the deciduous is opposite of that. Deciduous is opposite of that, there is not too much water like evergreen. There is water but not too much like evergreen, that there is everything every time water in that. There is a seasonal rainfall, that in that forest rainfall also happens, but like a seasonal rainfall, that we are living that in Uttar Pradesh. So there is a summer, like a seasonal summer season, and rain season is like a rainy season, and winter like a winter season. So there is and deciduous for this is like same, that in winter season there will be winter, and in rainy season there will be rain. So there will not like evergreen forest that in a single day a rainfall happens. No, in the deciduous forest there is a rain at a rainy season, only a rainy season, not in any month or any other day. Yes. So I understand that you will let the meaning of evergreen and difference between evergreen and deciduous. So we will understand the tropical deciduous forest today. So these forests are mainly found in Indian subcontinent, Myanmar, Vietnam, Thailand, Central America, Brazil, and Northern Australia. So these places I will show in map. So these forest means tropical deciduous forest are mainly found in Indian subcontinent. What do you know? What is Indian subcontinent? Like there is Asia, the biggest continent. So small part of that continent, subcontinent, but means small continent. It is these in this country, they are a country like these. In this we found that India. In this subcontinent we found India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and some part of Afghanistan, Nepal. These countries, like the neighboring countries of India. So, neighboring countries of India, like this is called Indian subcontinent. These forests are mainly found in Indian subcontinent, Myanmar, Vietnam, Thailand, Central America. So where is Central America? I will show in the map where is Central America, Brazil, and Northern Australia. That the northern part of the Australia. Suppose as the roughly draw. So I will show in a bigger place. This is not like a Australia. So the seasonal nature of rainfall led the deciduous type, where trees shed their leaves in dry season to conserve water. So as I have told you that in evergreen forest there is a lot of rainfall. There is single day rainfall. At every day rainfall happens, but in deciduous it is opposite. So the seasonal nature of rainfall As I have told you that there is seasonal rainfall. There is seasonal rainfall, not like that everyday rain. No, it is like seasonal. That the summer season, winter season, it is like also like rainy season. So any other season there is no rainfall. So let to the deciduous type. Deciduous type where trees shed their leaves in dry season to conserve water. So in these type of forest, the trees, as you have seen that evergreen forests are very dense. So, but in deciduous forest, these are opposite of that. That if a tree is there, but in there that only rainy season it rains happen. So in summer season, how did they conserve water? So the leaves of the forest, the leaves of the trees, start shedding off them, start going down, start tearing off from the tree, and the to conserve water. If there will be leaves on the tree, so the sunlight will evaporate water from the tree. So if the tree shed off their leaves, and let with the branches, and without tree to conserve water, in summer season, and hot seasons to conserve water. They shed their leaves. The trees automatically shed their leaves to conserve water. Now in the evergreen forest trees not shed their leaves because they have many water. There are many quantity of, there is not enough. They are very huge. There is there is no need of water. There is a very huge amount of water. But in deciduous forest there is not too much water. So they shed off their leaves to conserve the water. So neem, sesame, sal, teak are some trees found in these forests. So neem, every one of single person of you have seen the neem tree, where is neem tree, etc. Every person of you have seen neem tree. Sesame, sal, teak are some trees found in these forests. So I hope you understand these topics. Now let's see these places: Central Asia, Vietnam, these places in the map, and also see what types of animals found in these forests. So now let's we see the places that we have seen on the map, where we have studied that where the deciduous forests are found on the bigger map, on map. So that we have studied that these forests are found in Brazil. As you can see in the map that the Brazil is in this area. The whole yellow part of this is in Brazil. So in this country the deciduous forest is found, and in Thailand, as you can see, this purple part, is Thailand. This purple part is Thailand. And we have also studied that Vietnam, as you can see, this Vietnam, as you can see, this is Vietnam. And the northern part of Australia. Northern part of the Australia means the north side of the Australia. So Australia's north part is this. So the northern part of the Australia. Northern part of the Australia has also the deciduous forest. So and the main thing, the Indian subcontinent. So as you can see, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and these countries are form a mini subcontinent called Indian continent, which is on Indian plate. As I have told you in the tectonic theory of planet, that there are many plates, including Indian plate. So these countries are on Indian plate. So this is called the subcontinent. This Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. So this is called a mini continent. So this is called a subcontinent. So these are the areas on which the deciduous forests are found. So now let's see what are the wildlife of the forest. So now let's see what is the wildlife. What are the animals found in the tropical deciduous forest. So as we have the places on the map, we have studied as what are the trees are found in the forest. The places northern Australia, southern subcontinent of India subcontinent, we have studied on the map. So now let's see what are the animals found in the forest. Tigers, elephants, bears, monkeys, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, buffalo are some main animals which found in these forests. So there are these, not only these animals found only these, no, beside these animals there are only also animals, rabbits, some small animals like jackal, like a small rabbit, etc. These small animals are also fine, but these animals are the main. Tigers, elephant, bears, monkeys, rhinos, hippopotamus, and buffaloes are the some main animals of these forests. Some major, some specified animals of these forests, but there are some small animals also, rabbit, etc. These things. So I hope you understand the topic, the tropical deciduous forest. So in our next video we will study another type of forest. Till then, thank you. Save trees, save earth. Say no to plastic.